All right, guys, check it out. This is the little test plot area. Now, yeah, some of the grass seed didn't grow in that part right there, as you can see, but for the most part, everything grew in very nice. This is that cheap Walmart grass seed. Look at that all the way down. Check it out. It looks good. Still a little patchy here. And so far for the Walmart grass seed, I could see that it's a lighter texture of green, but for a cheap grass seed, it's not bad. So remember, I planted this maybe a month ago now. Check it out. Check that out. So only thing left to do really now is just little patch fixes here. I threw down some more grass seed, but for the first cut, this cut is around about 3 inches. So if you remember, it was bare. So we got progress. All of that rain from Mother Nature helped out a lot. So now, only thing left to do is just fix up these little patchy areas here and do a little weed control, because it is some weeds growing in. It got through the tenacity. Tenacity killed off a bunch of it, but you know, now once the grass start to grow in a little bit better and a little stronger and more durable, I can start weeding it with some other weed killers and throw down a pre-emergent. But the grass blades here, this was a mixture. It was ryegrass, Kentucky bluegrass, and a fescue mix. But like I said, this is a cheaper grass seed, so the texture of green is a little lighter. But once I start fertilizing it on a regular, it's gonna get more strong. It's gonna get stronger, more durable, and the color may change and get a little bit darker, but I don't picture it getting too much darker after this. But just wanted to give you that little update. We definitely have progress and it looks good. All the way down to the left there and towards the right here. Now, this is where my neighbor already had a little bit of grass here of his own. So it's a little different texture here. But I'm gonna keep overseeding and helping him out. But you can see where I started the new grass compared to his grass. His grass is here on the right. And this is the Walmart grass right here, the Expert Garden to the left. Very lush, very soft, but that's for right now. It's gonna get, you know, a little more matured, the more fertilizing and more cutting. So right now, like I said, just patch fixing, see if I can get the rest of that to grow in. But for the first go around this spring, everything looks good. It came in very well. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick update. Stay tuned because I got some more videos coming soon. So take care.